I just want to show you. My name is Jillian and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona. And today I just want to show you really quickly how I pack my bag for day packing. Basically, when I go hiking just out for the day, say for 5 hours or 6 hours, then this is all the stuff that I bring and we're going to all fit it right into here. So I just want to show you how I pack it, kind of where I put things, and that way you can kind of think of your own way. I mean, everybody's got their own way of packing, right? There's no right or wrong answer on how to pack your own personal day pack, but sometimes it's easier just to look at somebody else, see how they're doing it, and possibly get some tips for yourself, you know, how you want to do it next time as well. So, all right, so let's go ahead and do the packing for this bag. This is the Teton Oasis 1100, and I have done a review video on this where I kind of do a little unboxing and I show you that I've taken off the rain cover down here to make more room, and I do not use the hydration pack that comes with this. So I do use a different hydration pack instead. So, and I'll show you everything that I put in back there. So this is all going in this pack. Okay, so this is the 1100, and I just want to kind of show you what all I pack in this. So as you can see, I have a 3 liter and a 2 liter of water. I do like to carry 5 liters of water because it is Arizona and it gets very hot. So I do like to carry a little snack. This is just an example. Listen, I know these are terrible for you, right? They're chock full of salt and protein. That's exactly what you need on the trail. So and they're come pre-packaged like this, right? So I can just throw a bunch of these in my cooler, take these with me every day. So that's exactly what I do. So let's go ahead and pack this. So first thing I do is I usually put in the camelbacks, right? So we're gonna first put that here in the top, and I do like to clip it because again, we don't want it kind of folding in on itself. And I've pushed the hose up through the left-hand side because I like it on my left shoulder. And then that's it for this pocket. And yeah, these zippers are kind of ridiculous sometimes, whatever. So then for the next pocket, I do like to put my 2 liter. And again, you push all the air out like that. Okay, let me just stick this one in there. And I do like to put like the Lunchable thing usually right on top, and as always, especially important, suntan lotion. And then that's it for that. And then for the little pockets, I do like to put like little things, you know, like chapstick. Here's my car keys, put those in there. And I do like to keep a pocket back on me as well, just in case, you know, you go to the restroom or something out in the wilderness. There's no water, right? And then in this pocket, I told you about how I like to keep a wet towel. This is like one of those cooling towels. It's kind of dry and ripped and whatnot. I've had this for a couple years, but I just like to slip that in there and then clip that. And then, now we're getting to this final pocket here. And I do like to keep toilet paper. I mean, you never know, right? I keep toilet paper for tissues as well, so it's kind of dual meaning. I do keep my compass with me, just in case, because you should never go out to the wilderness. You have to have a map, compass, you need all that stuff. And then I just like to keep some snacks, you know, here's some beef jerky, maybe a granola bar or whatnot. You stick that in there. Here's some tissues. I'm just going to keep those there too. And then here, I just like to keep an extra baggie for like any trash that I use or, you know, anything else. And then sometimes I put a banana and whatnot in here. That turns out really good too, usually. So then there's that. I don't keep anything in this mesh or this stretchy thing here. And then on the side pockets, usually I keep some more snacks. I'm a snack person, what can I say? So I keep like a granola bar over here, and actually I keep the granola bar over here. So I put the granola bar over here, and then I usually take my Bluetooth headphones and kind of shove them in there too. They've never gotten lost or anything, even with just one, you know, so, and that's fine. And then finally, where I keep on the right hand side here, I just like to keep my cell phone, because the cell phone needs a pocket all to itself, right? You could keep maybe tissues with it, but I just recommend keeping the cell phone all to itself in here, in its own pocket. That way, if you need to access it, you're looking at maps and whatnot, you can easily see where you're at, check out the map and whatnot in here. So, but that's it. So that is how I pack my pack with 5 liters of water plus a couple snacks and different things here. And then I just stick this on. Oh, and you can feed the hose too through this strap, which is what I like to do. And you can clip it on the other strap too, so it can go over here. So you can put it over there. See? And then that way it kind of clips together. See? And then I just wear it like this, and then here's the chest strap. Goes like that. And here is the waist strap. So that is how I pack for a day packing. For an entire day, right? Usually I take lots of snacks, lots of water, because you're going to need both in the Arizona desert. So, all right, cool. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and you want to see more like it. Oh, it's heavy. And if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps, Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.